Hello students. Now today we have very important questions. That's the resistors in series. Okay, in this class we will discuss the resistor in series. Whenever two or more resistors we connect, you know that whenever we take the 2, 3, 4, 5 resistance and connect end to end, okay, the same amount of current will passes through this all resistance, but the potential difference will, okay, not same. Okay, so you can write here the resistor in series means two or more. Okay, when two or more when two or more resistance are said to be connected in series if same amount of current passes through it, same amount of current is passes through it, and having different potential different potential. Okay, here let R1, R2 and R3 equal to 3 resistance connected in series. Okay, V1, V2 and V3 equal to potential difference in resistance R1, R2 and R3. Okay, I equal to current flowing through the circuit. So from Ohm's law, what you will write here? From the Ohm's law we can write, since we have V is equal to Ri. Okay, V equal to Ri. So you can write here V1 equal to, we can find out. So here will be IR1. Okay, V equal to Ri, you can write V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 equal to IR3. So what you will write here? Since you can write V1 is equal to IR1. Similarly V2 equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. Can we write these ones? Okay, but we have, since V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, E equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Therefore, E equal to, what you will write here? You will write here IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. You can take common I because same amount of the current is passing through this. So is equal to I will take common, then here will be R1, okay, plus R2 plus R3. You can put, this is the equation first. Okay, can we write here? Okay, also we know that or if RS is resistor in series, okay, therefore you can write here E equal to IRS. Can we write? Okay, RS, that is resistor in series. Now you see that equation 1 and 2, what you will write? So from equation 1 and 2, what you will write here? E equal to something and here is equal to something. So you will write here IRS equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, I and I will cancel out. Finally, you have Rs equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yes, students. So this is the final formula. Whenever two or more resistors are connected in series, for this we can got Rs, that is the resistor in series. R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. By using the Ohm's law, we got this formula. That's very important. For 10th and 12th student both. You will complete this one. You should write. Very good.